wondered what would happen if you were suddenly involved in an accident? It's a grim thought, but in today's video, we're going to confront it head on and discuss how accidental death and dismemberment insurance can be a part of your safety net. My name is Gregory Rozdiba and I'm the CEO at Dundas Life. In today's video, we'll dive into accidental death and dismemberment coverage, commonly known as AD&D insurance. Whether you're looking for comprehensive protection or considering an add-on to your existing life coverage, this video will help you make an informed decision. So what exactly is accidental death and dismemberment insurance? AD&D insurance is a type of coverage that provides financial protection in the event of an accidental death or the loss of a limb or bodily function due to an accident. If you pass away as a result of an accident, accidental death and dismemberment insurance pays a fixed death benefit to your designated beneficiary. This benefit is typically a lump sum payment and can assist your surviving family members in covering expenses such as funeral costs, outstanding debts, and ongoing living expenses. With an AD&D insurance policy, you gain access to two types of coverage. First, there's accidental death coverage. This provides a fixed payment if you pass away due to injuries sustained in an accident. Examples of qualifying accidents include homicide, accidents involving heavy machinery, drowning, and traffic accidents. Note that it will not pay out for natural causes of death like cancer or old age. While accidental death and dismemberment coverage can be purchased separately, many individuals prefer to add it to their health or life insurance policies. When included as a rider for a life insurance policy, the maximum accidental death and dismemberment coverage cannot exceed the face value of the original policy. For example, if you buy $200,000 of life insurance, you can get $200,000 of AD&D coverage. So should an accident claim your life, the insurer will pay double the policy's face value to your designated beneficiary. A common question arises: how much does accidental death and dismemberment coverage cost? Well, the cost varies based on factors such as your age, desired coverage amount, and the insurance company you chose. Thankfully, monthly premiums for AD&D coverage are typically very affordable. However, it's essential to shop around with an insurance broker like Dundas Life, as rates can differ significantly between insurers. Let's cover the advantages of accidental death and dismemberment insurance. One significant benefit is that you won't have to undergo a medical exam or answer health questions when applying. This means individuals with serious health issues can get approved for coverage. AD&D insurance involves minimal medical underwriting, making it a viable option for those who may not qualify for standard life insurance. As long as you meet the age requirements, typically between 18 and 70, sometimes 80, you are likely to be approved. Another advantage of AD&D insurance is the shorter application process. Unlike standard life insurance, which can take weeks for approval, AD&D coverage plans often provide a quicker turnaround. In most cases, you can expect to receive approval within 2 to 3 days, allowing you to secure coverage promptly. Affordability is another key aspect of accidental death and dismemberment insurance. Due to its limited coverage, premiums are significantly lower compared to other forms of insurance. In fact, some Canadian employers even offer this coverage at little to no cost to their employees. Even when purchased individually, accidental death and dismemberment insurance premiums are usually very affordable, often costing just a few dollars a month. Let's discuss the limitations of accidental death and dismemberment coverage. It's important to understand that AD&D coverage pays out only under specific circumstances outlined in your policy. If a death occurs in a matter not covered by your contract, like natural death, your beneficiary will not receive the benefit amount. Therefore, it's essential to carefully read the terms of your policy and be aware of any exclusions. If you engage in activities such as skydiving or mountain biking, it's important to buy for a policy that covers these high-risk activities. Different AD&D policies may have varying exclusions, so make sure to choose a plan that aligns with your lifestyle and your needs. So what are the alternatives to AD&D insurance? For most individuals, term life insurance provides comprehensive coverage, as it covers all causes of death, except suicide within the first 2 years of the policy. Disability insurance protects your most valuable asset, your income. If you become disabled or suffer from an illness that prevents you from working, disability insurance provides a fixed monthly sum for a specific duration. By combining life insurance with disability insurance, you can gain coverage for a wide range of scenarios, including natural death, accidental death, and severe injuries resulting from accidents. Accidental death and dismemberment insurance should not be seen as a substitute for life insurance, as it only covers death in exceptional circumstances. If you work in a high-risk profession or face difficulties obtaining traditional life insurance due to health concerns, you may even consider purchasing AD&D coverage separately. That wraps up today's video on accidental death and dismemberment insurance. If you have any further questions, schedule a call. Remember, insurance is about protecting your loved ones and securing your family's future. Be sure to like and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one.